Give me egg.
Let's go have water. Yeah, I will give you, yeah?
Stop it! Stop it! Egg! Okay, who gave you egg?
Mommy.
Mommy gave you egg? Who gave you egg? To eat?
Yes.
Is it just to peel for her? Or is for your own consumption?
For myself.
Jesus, you are not good one. How? Why? Who gave you egg? Did you want to kill me? Did you want to turn an armed robber?
What is it?
Imagine yourself. Want to peel egg and eat. At this time, at this age.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Oh my God.
Keep quiet. What kind of question are you asking me? Have you done one in this house that until you are 30 and above, 40, mom or some of my uncles that will come to this house, nobody have the permission, the right to eat egg. Because if it does, that means that person has 100% possibility of becoming an armed robber. That was what we were taught, and that was what brought us like this in life. That is helping us today.
Daddy, I still don't understand. There's nothing wrong in it.
You still don't understand. You still don't understand. Egg. Let me take you back to memory lane. It's like I've not said this story before. That is why some of you still eat and begin to misbehave without me knowing it. Thank God today I've caught you. Back then in the village, we were 4 boys who grew up together with my father. I was second to the last. Then I was 24. I had my 2 elder brothers, Edo and Hope. Then the younger one that I senior, Ebusa, may so rest in perfect peace. As at that time we were strong, bold enough. Edo that I'm talking about is close to 30. A woman saw us and gave us her farmland to clear as job. We did it and the woman paid us. When the money was given to us, we now thought, what is that thing that we want to buy that our parents always advise us not to eat? The first thing that came to our mind was egg. Egg was so important that if you eat egg without the permission of your elder, there's every possibility that when you grow up, you will become an adult. We bought the egg, we hid ourselves in the ceiling because we don't want anybody to see us. We ate it and came back. We didn't know that my father, who happens to be a very smart man, saw us when we were doing it. In the evening, he called us to a meeting, hoping that those sweet story, folktale, melodious evening song is what we are getting from him. Do you know what we received? We got the beating of our lives. We were beaten so mercilessly that if I remember today, I still feel the pains we went through. He warned our mom not in life giving us meat for 3 months. For 3 months, we did not taste not even snail that you can pick anywhere in the village. We did not. I was 24. How old are you? 8. So you want to eat egg? Then I was 24 then, and you are 8. Your mom will receive emergency slap very soon.
That was then, why in 21st century.
What are you telling me? What difference does it make?
According to our teachers, we the young one need egg, fish, meat, and balanced diet to grow well. Why do you that are above 40 are not getting younger anymore but getting older? As a result of that, your body metabolism will not be slow. That is why doctor always recommend frequent exercise and avoid food with cholesterol.
So because God has blessed me with money and I put you in good school, you are now coming to educate me on how to punish myself till I join my ancestors. Is that not? So you're asking me not to eat good food anymore. Are you telling me? So let me ask you, what is cholesterol?
Cholesterol are those food that contains fat and oil. And not only that, you should also avoid red meat.
And I see the conspiracy. I I see the conspiracy. So you want to conspire against me so I can starve to death. Those meat, bush meat, those meat, red meat, every kind of meat that I've piled up in the deep freezers. Who's going to eat them? So you are telling me not to eat egg. You are telling me not to eat meat. So I should give it. So I didn't eat meat anymore. Is that what I'm saying?
No, that's not what I mean. What I mean is that if you have to take it on the average, and also do your blood sugar test and BP. Who happen to be a silent killer?
You do well. Thank you, Mr. Educationist. Thanks. But as for this egg, nobody will take it. I'm going to meet Dr. Murphy. Ask him everything you said today. God help you if anyone is a lie or conspiracy that I really eat what I ought to eat. I will so beat you. No. As for your mom, that one is already packing. For giving you the permission to break egg to eat. That one is already seeing her father. I believe that one room she packed her thing from the day they were giving it to me. That room is still very much full.
And the way you are talking is like you don't know 6 classes of food.
What has 6 classes of food got to do with what I'm saying? What is 6 classes of food?
6 classes of food: carbohydrate, protein, mineral salts, vitamin, fat and oil, and water.
What? I don't get it.
Oh my God.
Why are you telling me?
Daddy, if you know it, you supposed to know the balanced diet of food that you need.
It's okay. Since you now know it, keep it. Let me go and meet Dr. Murphy and come back. Then you know the kind of father you are.
If Daddy did not know the 6 classes of food, that means my auntie is right. Daddy is following every time.